This is lesson 3 on page 91, working more efficiently.
In this lesson, you will make repetitive edits automatically, apply repetitive formatting changes automatically, and use word styles to streamline the process of applying repetitive format changes to text and paragraphs. Some editing and formatting tasks may be repetitive. It quickly becomes tedious when you have to apply the same formatting combinations or text edits in hundreds of different locations in the same document or across multiple documents. Fortunately, Microsoft Word provides some tools to help you efficiently perform such repetitive tasks. So topic A on page 104,
Correction, that's on page 92.
making repetitive edits. Word provides tools to help you with repetitive text entry and editing tasks. One of these tools is the powerful Find and Replace dialog box. You can use the Find and Replace dialog box to find text, replace text, or go to a specific location in your document. Each tab in the Find and Replace dialog box contains additional options for finding and replacing text. So when you're using your Find and Replace, you normally want to start with your cursor at the beginning of your document. So you can do Control Home to make sure your cursor is in the beginning. And on the Home tab, in the Editing command group, here you have the Find command. Now this is going to open up your navigation pane to the left. There are many ways to open up your navigation pane. Hitting that Find command is one of them. Also going to the View tab and in the Show group, checking off navigation pane, that will open it as well. Or where on your status bar at the bottom where it says page, whatever number of however many pages you have, here I have page 1 of 1. If I click on that, it also opens the navigation pane for me. So any of those three ways. So in this navigation pane, you can search for specific words or phrases. So maybe I wanted to see all of the places that the word audiovisual comes in. I just type it directly into my text field here, and you can see it highlights in yellow every instance of that. And also on my results tab, it will show me everywhere in context where that phrase pops up, and I can navigate directly to it. You can see I chose the second to last one. You can paste in the embed code for the audio visual you want, and that one has darkened out in my document. So that is your find command using the navigation bar. I'm going to do Control Home, bring my cursor to the beginning again. Right underneath that, you have the Replace command. And this opens up the Find and Replace dialog box with the Replace tab selected. The Find tab is just like the navigation bar. You just type in your topic. You can find next. Every time you click on that, it's going to go to the next instance. So that just finds the word or phrase that you're searching for. The Replace tab will find a specific word or phrase that you're searching for, and you could choose to replace it with something different. So maybe I wanted to find all the occurrences of the word audiovisual, and I wanted to replace it with the word video. I have the option here, Find Next. It's going to find my first instance of audiovisual, and I can choose to replace that with video. And it's automatically going to take me to the next instance. Now I can go in and replace each one individually, or I can just choose Replace All. And look at that, all done. We made 12 replacements. So it went through my whole entire document and made all those replacements in one step. So now when I go back to my document, I have no more occurrences of audio visual. Everything has been replaced with the word video here. So if you, let's say for example, me as a teacher, I go through and make a document and I spell one of my students' names wrong multiple times within a file. Instead of going through and individually correcting each instance, start at the beginning of the document. I find the misspelling of the word. So I put the misspelling in the find text field at this top one, and then the correct spelling of the student's name I could type in here, and I can just do replace all. And instead of, taking 10-15 minutes to go through the whole document fixing it, takes a matter of 15 seconds to replace all instances of it. So it is a very, very handy tool. All right, so
Our next video will be activity 3.1 on page 94.